according to the white supremacists themselves, when I went to what you call school, it was called a quote-unquote segregated school. I did learn some things. My teachers did everything that they could do to teach me what they were told to teach me, because you got to figure, if you have a black teacher, the black teacher has to go according to what they have been told to teach. So they taught me reading, writing, some arithmetic, and they taught me some history, and they taught me sociology and civics and whatnot. I mean, how to be a quote-unquote responsible person, and where my patriotism lied and all like that. During so-called World War II, I could, I think maybe in one of the early grades, I don't remember which, we used to get a little newspaper where we had to identify the planes, the different type of planes of each country that was involved in World War II. And so I could name, just by the silhouette, all of the aircraft of the German and Japanese Air Forces. The Stuka 87, the Junkers 88, the Messerschmitt 109, and where the Japanese were concerned, the Mitsubishi Zero. I mean, what his armament was, what his capacity was, what his range was, how many people were part of the crew in a dive bomber, Nakajima, dive bombers, and several others like that. The Heinkel 111K. I can remember these things even to this day, in the spirit of patriotism, in what was called an inferior school. But I learned these things. But the white supremacists said, and many black people agreed, you're not getting everything that you need to be getting in these inferior segregated schools. They are all black, therefore they're inferior. So therefore, if you come over to the white side, if you can get some of them to let you in and whatnot, you can learn more. And for the most part, that was true. If they would teach you what you need to know in order to do your max when you got out. Now, that is not happening nowhere. It didn't happen with the old system, and it's not happening with the new system. And that's why the gentleman that called in just a few minutes ago, this is 2014. No black person should be coming out of a school with a question mark of what their future is going to be. But every black person does. Well, if what you call brainwash means you're told things that are not true, yes.
Okay.
Black people are told things that are not true, not only just in a school, you're told things that are not true everywhere you look, everywhere you go.
Okay.
You're told lies, because the white supremacists thrive off of lies. Why? Because lies cause confusion. And in confusion, the person who's not confused, and they are never confused, the white supremacists are never confused, because they cause the confusion. And you can dominate people indefinitely if you can confuse them. So they are the masters of confusion. So you got to tell lies. You got to say things that are not true in order to cause confusion.